Hello, my name is Chris Parker and I'm product manager at Sharp. And here, welcome to ISE 2019 for the Learn area. And here we are launching our new Big Pad HC1 series. So coming in 70-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch, coming with 4K resolution for great accuracy, great visibility. We put a lot of store also on touch accuracy and touch responsiveness, and we call it the pen on paper user experience, and teachers and trainers would have a great time with HC1 series. The inbuilt Android SoC, so it really helps with whiteboarding. It also comes with overlay mode. It's all about new ways, creative ways of working together and collaboration. So whether you're a teacher, training the corporate, in the classroom, your students will have a great time learning together with Big Pad HC1.